Hey guys, third fan of the night.
Third fan of the night.
What we got here is a Canarm ceiling fan from 1992.
Yes.
Yeah. There's no model name for
no,
it.
I think it's BDF something 42. What it says on the sticker, but there's no model name on it anywhere.
Yeah. So this is basically like a mini version of the Hampton Bay Waterton or Nader fan as well, but
this thing's just in white.
it's just in white. I mean, this version, it also does come in black and white with black blade brackets and a white.
And the black bottom part of the motor housing, I think. And
No, isn't it around the vent part of the housing?
No, I think that's the part that's still white.
So about this fan, I've seen two of these in black and white in a gift shop in Steveston Village in Richmond, British Columbia. Yeah, they have two of them in there. There were three of them, but the one at the front they took down and put a light fixture in. I saw these fans when I was a kid. Been seeing them since I was a young kid. Going there. The gift shop is called Nikaido. Yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, anyways, we'll put the light on. Alright, there we go. Here's the light.
They kind of like the preheat startup, you know, like a...
Yeah.
So that's the light.
Yeah.
Using 3 LED bulbs.
Yep.
The two in the rear that you can't see are like a soft white, and this is more of like a warm white, the one in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to turn it.
Oh, and actually, speaking of those two black and white ones I saw in Steveston, I took a video of those last year. Alright, anyways, this is the light. And now we'll turn on the fan. On low. No, I think it's the vent part that's black. And then the brackets are black, and then the bottom of the top is white.
I don't know for sure.
I'll have to look at the video again of those two at Nikaido.
Nikaido. Now the low speed on this is much faster than the
Yeah.
brass GE bund.
Yeah. Now the bigger version, the 52-inch has 4 lights, and with the 4 lights you can have 2 on, or you can have 2 on either ones. 2 come on, then you do it again, then the other 2 come on.
Yeah.
Then all 4.
But this only has 3.
So this only has 3, so it doesn't have that. Those are the ones at the bookstore in Nader, but they also were under Canarm as well.
Yeah. Yeah, I see. Yeah. Put it on medium speed. Oh, you almost hit your hand on the knee there.
Alright, here's medium.
It's so hot outside.
Yeah.
There's blasting desk fans.
This fan is wobbly.
Oh yeah, and it's much worse than the one I tested it with blind.
Oh, it's much worse?
Yeah, it's much worse now.
So yeah, now it's much worse. Alright, I guess we'll go to high.
Yeah, it's gonna be a racket.
And it's gonna wobble worse. Actually, maybe it's reduced on high.
Well, I think it looks wobbling a lot more on camera than in real life.
Oh yeah. God, back in the days,
The fans were not wobbling back in my days.
when fans wobbled really hard on high, it really scared me. I felt like the fan was gonna fall down.
Back in my days, fans didn't wobble.
This was back when I was a kid.
Yeah, you're gonna turn the light on.
So I guess I'll do an airflow and then we'll
Turn
turn
the
the
light
light
on.
on. Yeah, it blows a decent amount of air.
Turn the light on.
Alright, so here's the fan and light.
Yeah, I'm gonna shut it off with the switch.
And then we're gonna do reverse.
Spin down. Oh no, the power is out. Well, there's a light like shining onto it. That can't be true.
Oh, and look at that. It stopped at the exact.
You need to hit the reverse.
Well,
switch.
oh yeah, I gotta do the reverse switch still.
And it's behind you.
Yeah, it's missing a pendant. Alright.
The light is still on. That's okay.
Yeah, let me turn the light off. Wasn't sure if we were gonna do it the light on first or. But yeah, we wanted to have it off, so. So this is high reverse.
Wobble's a little less than the.
Yeah.
Alright, put it on medium. Make sure.
Why didn't you take that down after we were finished? Now it's just something for me to bonk into. You guys can't see it on camera, but the nadir is still up.
I could show it.
Alright, so low now?
Yes.
Ah. Alright, well.
Look at what you've done.
Take that down after. I don't want to keep walking back and forth bonking into that.
I'll do that while
So now we're on low reverse here.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, I'll show the light now.
I'll bonk into it.
Alright, there's the fan and light on together. On reverse. And
Here's a nadir.
oh yeah, that's the nadir that I kept bonking into. Alright, well I guess we could shut the fan off now.
Sure.
All right. Well, there you have it. That's the Canarm Ceiling Fan 42-inch. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and as always,
Remember to comment,
rate, and subscribe, and peace out.
What